everyone, welcome to today's video. We'll show you how to create a keyframe sequence with face animation using our advanced ControlNet rig in Live Portrait. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and easy to follow. Let's begin. First, open ComfyUI and load the workflow. You can download this workflow from the description. First, make sure to turn off Preview Render, enable KGSE logic for animation, go to Astra, and select AutoCue. This crazy logic for animation won't be explained here. As explaining it step by step would take hours. Upload the image you want to animate. I'll open one. Here you'll see several panels connected to expression editors. First, second, and third nodes have sliders for eyes, brows, blinks, and winks. By moving the sliders, we can change face movements like eyes, brows, and more. Let's start animating. First, in the expression editor, I'll adjust the face slightly. Now, let's add another keyframe. We'll increase the smile. In the first frame, he starts smiling. In the second, we increase the smile. And tweak the face. A keyframe marks the start or end position of an object in animation. For example, moving a box from one point to another, add a keyframe here and another there. When we run the animation, the object moves, but we can add keyframes in between. This lets us adjust the object's path for more complex movement. That's how keyframes work. You can animate anything by adjusting sequences. Before running, untick Auto Sequence. Make necessary changes, enable Auto Sequence, stop Preview Render, and enable Crazy Logic for animation. Now, let's run the program. Here's how the animation turned out. We need to adjust a bit and disable Auto Sequence. There's a small issue in the second frame, so we'll make some changes. In the third frame, he tilts his head. Adjust to -6, -4, and tilt to 5. Set everything else to 0, then rerun. See how perfect the animation is now? He smiles naturally, and it looks great. Now, let's adjust his eyes and brows. Move the eyes. Add the first keyframe. Now, run and check the animation. And there you go. That's how you create an animation with the portrait control rig. It's simple once you get the hang of it. One more thing, increasing the slider will slow down the animation. See how the animation slows down? That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Leave any questions in the comments, I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.